Have you ever watched a professional DJ and thought I could probably do that? Well, before you spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on DJ equipment, there are a few things you need to know. If you're just getting started, or you're just getting into DJing, or you're thinking about buying your first controller or mixer, whatever, this video could save you a lot of frustration, a lot of time, and a lot of money. So let's get into it. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jimmy, and on this channel we talk about DJing, music production, gear, and everything that can help you become a better DJ. If that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you hit that follow. Well, hit the subscribe. This is not TikTok. And turn on notifications. I got lots more tutorial tips and mixes coming your way. Let's jump into the first mistake. Mistake number 1, buying expensive gear too early. No, this is probably the biggest mistake I see beginners make. A lot of people think that buying more expensive controllers or mixers will instantly make them a better DJ. Unfortunately, that's just not how it works. You can hand a $2,000 controller, $5,000 controller, or a mixer to a beginner DJ and they'll still struggle with the basics. At the same time, you can give an experienced DJ an entry-level controller and they'll still put on an amazing set. Your equipment doesn't create your skills. Practice does. When you're just starting out, focus on learning the fundamentals. Learn how to beat match, learn phrase mixing, learn EQing, learn how to read the crowd. Once your skills start pushing the limits of your controller or your equipment, that's when it makes sense to upgrade. Don't feel pressured to buy the most expensive gear right away. Like when I started Twitch, I was using the DDJ SB2, and it was 2 years later that I upgraded, not because I didn't have experience, but that was my plan at the time. But still, it could work for you. Don't upgrade until it's absolutely necessary. Mistake number 2, thinking fancy transitions are everything. Now, when I first started DJing, I was obsessed with transitions. I wanted to make every mix sound perfect. I used all the lasers, fade outs. I spent hours learning tricks and effects. But here's what I eventually realized. People don't remember your transition. The song you played next is what they remember. Song selection is one of the most important skills you can develop as a DJ. You can have the smoothest transitions in the world, but if the next song kills the energy, none of it matters. On the other hand, a simple transition between 2 great songs can absolutely light up the dance floor. Don't get me wrong, transitions matter, but great song selections matter even more. Mistake number 3, not organizing your music. No, this one doesn't sound exciting, but trust me, you'll appreciate it later. Imagine you're DJing a party. Someone requests a song, you know you have it, but you're scrolling through hundreds or even thousands of tracks trying to find it. That's kind of stressful. Instead, organize your library from the beginning. Create your playlist, sort your music by genre, year, energy level. Use your cue points, label your tracks, use your comment tags and all of that. The more organized your library is, the more confident you'll feel when you're performing. Mistake number 4, only practicing in your bedroom. No, practicing at home is important. That's where you develop your skills. But performing for people feels like completely different. The pressure is different, your nerves are different, the way you react is different. If you're serious about improving, start putting yourself out there. Put yourself in situations where people are listening. DJ for the family, for friends. Go live on Twitch, go live on TikTok. Record your mixes, upload them to YouTube. Volunteer for small events. Like, there are so many things you can do. Every time you perform, you learn something that you simply can't learn by practicing alone. Mistake number 5, comparing yourself to other DJs. This is something almost everyone struggles with. You open Instagram, you open TikTok, you open YouTube, and suddenly it feels like everybody's doing better than you. But here's the thing, social media only shows the highlights. You don't see the mistakes, you don't see the failed transitions, you don't see the empty dance floors, you don't see the years of practice behind those short clips. So stop comparing your beginning to someone else's experience. Instead, compare yourself to who you were last week, last month. If you're improving, you're moving in the right direction, and that's all that matters. My biggest lesson looking back is buying better gear. As I said earlier with Twitch, starting out with DDJ SB2, buying green screens, buying better cameras. Thought it would improve my set or make my whole production aspect better. It did it in some aspects, but not necessarily. The biggest improvements came from practicing consistently, recording my mixes, listening back to my mistakes, learning something every single session. Progress doesn't happen overnight, so it's built on practice, one session at a time. And if you're willing to stay consistent, you'll be surprised how much better you become after just a few months. So yeah, these are 5 mistakes I wish someone had told me before I started DJing. Now, I want to hear from you. If you're a beginner, what's the biggest challenge you're dealing with right now? Leave a comment below. It might inspire my next video, and I'll do my best to help if it's something I can help with. And if you found this video useful, hit the like button because it really helps the channel grow. And if you want more DJ tutorials, gear reviews, music production content, and DJ mixes, make sure you subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next upload. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.